Hi guys, welcome to this week's show. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and don't miss your chance on winning this ESS Dual Plus from Sense Innovation. It is the best sounding sound simulator on the market today, at least in my eyes. Not only can you win the ESS Dual Plus, but I'm throwing in this K5 3D printed blazer body. So subscribe to the channel and you can be the lucky winner. So we're going to raffle this off on the 27th of November, so it reaches you in time for Christmas. So now let's get back into today's video. So on today's show, we're going to keep pimping out the blazer body. Now, I'm going to spray paint this thing white, and I know what you're thinking, it is already white. The problem is with the PLA being printed in lines, you have little ripples. Now, if you put a tape over it and try to spray something a different color, it'll seep under and it'll just give you this jagged line because of the surface of the 3D print. So I'm going to show you how to get a clean line, because we're still going to, well, we're going to spray the car white, then we're going to have to repaint the front black. I want to put a black line along this ridge over here, and then also I want to have black lines surrounding the windows, making it look like it has the black rubber in it that it normally has. So first thing I need to do, take everything off and get it ready for spray painting. So everything is off. Before I start spraying white, I'm going to give it a slight sand. I'm also going to close off these holes. This at the back here is a misprint. This back section was a misprint as well, but I thought it would look quite cool with a wire mesh in there, making it look like a kind of a diffuser or something. So I'm going to leave that hole in there, close up the little ones, and then we're going to get it spray painted. To sand the body, I'm going to be using 120 grit sandpaper, just to roughen it up a little bit and get rid of a couple of imperfections of the print. So I'm going to tape off the areas that I want to glue, give them a nice even surface, and then put some 5-minute resin with some micro balloons on the inside. Just applying the resin with the micro balloons and squeezing it into the gaps. And so it doesn't run away, I'm just going to apply a bit of tape over it until it's dry. Okay, this was a 5-minute epoxy, so I can take off the tapes fairly quickly. And let's see how this turned out. Gaps are very smooth. Just a slight sand and they should be ready for painting. All the gaps have been filled in, front and rear. Now I'm just going to give it a slight sand, take it out for spray painting, and then we're going to do the black pinstriping, and we're going to have to redo the front grille because that's obviously going to be sprayed white as well. So the body has been spray painted with 4 coats of MTN water-based spray paint. This product is a bit thicker than your normal spray paints. I was hoping it was going to fill the gaps that the 3D print leaves on the body, but it seems to me it's actually making them stand out a little bit more. So for today, I need to let this dry a little bit longer because it's touch dry, but it's still soft. So today I won't be able to do the pinstriping. I need the paint to be fully cured in order to tape it off, and I'm not going to do the front grille black, but I'm going to insert the front grille, the diffuser grille, put the parts back onto the body. Let's let it run on the trail. Let's see what it looks like on camera. If it doesn't look good, I will then paint it with resin on the next show, sand it down flat and repaint it white again. So let's see what it looks like on camera. Let's get it all back together and put it down on the trail. I've added some white lenses to the light bar to give it that hella look, that hella old school look. As you can see, my hand is not the steadiest. Maybe I should get somebody else to do this for me. I'll tell you one thing, guys. Drawing the outline of the windows with a black Posca pen, that's ridiculous. Let's get the show on the road because we're burning daylight. Woohoo! So the body is looking good with 4 layers of paint. We are going to let this cure because the body is not quite dry yet, and then we're going to continue with part 3 for next week. So just before I ended that video, I actually rolled the car. Paint is not quite dry yet, but I think we've added a bit of patina to the body. What do you think, guys? So guys, that's it from me this week. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to kick off my channel so we can do more content like this. So don't forget, I'm chucking in an ESS Dual Plus from Sense Innovation as a giveaway, the sound simulator that in my eyes has the best sound, and of course the other blazer body that fits onto the TRX4. So guys, that's it from me this week. Thanks for watching. Click that notification bell, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.